myself. I ain't shit. I ain't never gonna be shit. You less of a man than me, so soon as I decide that you ain't gonna be shit.
You know what it is, nigga.
So be it.
Spit it, you did.
You remember that, motherfucker.
Yo, first of all, recognize you in the real nigga jungle. So I suggest your next move be hopeful and humble. Understand that I'm a mad talented motherfucker. A NBA woulda, coulda, woulda, chip on my shoulder. It ain't nothing knock a nigga off, it's therapy to me. I knock a bull back, jazz him up and give him that heat. You done make another side of splitter come out the shell. Don't make me pop off cause my consequences heaven to hell. Dead or in jail, I make it real clear, not braille. Don't make me feel in the guilt when I'm in that 2-box cell. Stupid ass bitch, sucking on that sticky red dick. He fucking boy booty to come to you to suck on his dick. Dumbass trick, I even seen your trick with my own eyes. Your man's locked up while a white man's between your thighs. Prophet in disguise, that's the shit epitomized. Talking all that fake talk, talking bitch, telling lies.